Which of the relation is correct between time period and number of orbits while an electron is revolving in a orbit? So now this question is somewhere related to Bohr model. So if I talk about the Bohr model, so we have this is nucleus here, and around nucleus this is the electron, for example, which is actually revolving with certain velocity. So now we need to calculate the value of time period. So this is the radius. So we know that t is going to be, time period is going to be 2 pi r by v, right? And we know that in Bohr model, what do we know? So we know that r is going to be Rn will be 0.53 into n square by z in angstroms, right? So what basically I try to draw from this, Rn will be proportional to n square, right? And so this is where I'm writing, this is I'm writing for hydrogen like atom. So similarly I can write Vn is going to be 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 into z by n meter per second, right? So this is the velocity we used to get for Bohr's nth orbit, right? So now what I can do, I can derive that Vn is going to proportional to 1 upon n, right? So I can utilize these two relation in equation number 1. So put or utilize the relation of r and v, so Rn and Vn. So this is where I am talking about Rn, Vn. So Rn and Vn in equation number 1, right? So I can write t is equal to 2 pi into Rn is proportional to n square. So n square divided by Vn is proportional to 1 upon n itself. So from there I can write t is going to be 2 pi into 2 pi into this will be n cube. So from there I can write t is proportional to n cube only, right? So which option is the correct one? Option number 3 should have the right choice. Okay, yes.